Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to be covering Claude versus ChatGPT in 10 minutes. So guys, which AI is actually better in 2026? In this video, I'll compare both the tools side by side, features, performances, coding, content creation, and which one you should actually use or which one is better. All right guys, so we have Claude and we have ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT in all its glory, and this is Claude. So setting up or getting an account on these platforms are easy as long as you have a Google account. You could just simply log in with your Google account to any of these platforms, and your account would be created, and you can start exploring and making use of these platforms. All right, guys. So what are they? What's Claude and what's ChatGPT? Claude and ChatGPT are advanced AI assistants that help and design your codes, your scripts, anything you need done, they can get it done with just a simple prompt. Just giving them an instruction to follow is enough for them to create something for you. They can help with encoding, they can help with research and more. Claude is built by Anthropic and ChatGPT is built by OpenAI. Even though they look similar, they actually excel in different areas. So keep that in mind. And now, the interface and ease of use. Claude has a really clean interface. It looks really good. The design, the little prompts here, and you necessarily wouldn't find that on ChatGPT. But Claude, like I said, has a minimal interface focused on simplicity, while ChatGPT would offer you more features, but the interface can feel, you know, bland and just simple. All right, so when it comes to content creation or writing or scripting or creating pieces of art, who takes the cake here? Claude is better for long form natural writing. You could use Claude for your long form natural writings, and you could actually use ChatGPT for fast ideas and creativity. Like that's how good it is. So let's see if I can go into split screen here so we can have both at the same time. All right, I was able to split screen. So, as I was saying, Claude would tend to produce more structured and human-like content, while ChatGPT is faster for brainstorming and short-form content. So you're getting long-form content on Claude, and you're getting short-form and quick content from ChatGPT. All right, guys. So, when it comes to coding and development, for coding, both tools are actually powerful, but there is a difference. Claude is better for complex logic and debugging. You're not going to get anything better than Claude. There may be some other existing AIs that, get this done as well. But when it comes to coding, programming, creating websites, landing pages, you can do all of that with Claude. And I would dare to say the same for ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is better for quick codes and general use. It's more of, you want your things lightning fast. So ChatGPT would actually produce lightning fast. Though you can change that with the software behind it. But if you want to also turn on extended thinking for your coding, you could also do that as well. That option should be available on ChatGPT, but that may be under a payment plan. So, Claude is often prepared for handling large and code-based and deeper reasoning tasks, while ChatGPT is for light work and a little subtle debugging here and there. It can help you explain lines of code, but it can't really do too much as Claude handles most of the heavy tasks already. All right, so when it comes to reasoning and accuracy, Claude is strong at deep thinking and structured outputs. It's actually that good. Claude can actually, I mean, the option is there. The option is there for reasoning and accuracy. While with ChatGPT, you get very strong general reasoning. It's smart. It's good. It can get stuff done. All right, so both are actually excellent, but Claude is often more consistent and follows instructions more precisely. ChatGPT can give you things you're not demanding for because of the amount of knowledge it has accumulated over time, and as such, it would be prone to including unneeded things. That's why when you're prompting any of them, you need to make sure you're giving them proper instructions instead of just writing anything. So you have to be precise when it comes to using ChatGPT, and you also have to take it up a notch when you're using Claude. All right, guys. So for long documents and context, Claude has a major advantage when working with larger documents, as the option to upload documents and the likes are there. You can even add connectors. You could use styles like learning, concise, explanatory form. You can edit Claude just directly from the prompt base. You could also take a screenshot with it, but I believe on the other side of things here, you could also do the same here. Now, where ChatGPT actually excels over Claude is mostly in the creation of image, the deep research, the web searches, and if you head into more, you have agent mode and you have ad sources, which is also the same thing on uh, Claude. We also have a canvas. I haven't used this yet, but you can also have quizzes. You could, ChatGPT and Claude are the same, but there are similarities and there are differences. They basically offer you some of the same packages when you're using it for free. The difference is ChatGPT is more refined, while Claude is also refined and a bit more. All right, so like I said, back to long form documents and context. Claude has a major advantage, and it can take up to 200,000 words as context when you send files in, while ChatGPT is at a 120. So this means Claude can handle longer files, bigger code bases, and more complex stacks in one go. But for features and ecosystem, this is where ChatGPT really shines out. Um, when it comes to web browsing, plugins, and GPTs, tools, and integrations, you're going to get more of that from ChatGPT because in features and ecosystem, ChatGPT just stands out. That's just how good it is. You're getting agents, you're getting added sources. There is a lot more utilization of connections when it comes to ChatGPT than you'd find in Claude. I think for Claude, you're mostly going to be getting a few from Anthropic and their partners and plugins. ChatGPT is going to give you everything. You're going to get everything. But all right, guys. So, like I said, Claude is a bit more focused, while ChatGPT offers you a larger ecosystem with more tools and integrations. Now, for speed and versatility, ChatGPT is generally faster and more versatile for everyday tasks. So ChatGPT is just that quick. It's you just type in your prompt and you've gotten a response. It's actually that good. And Claude is slower but more detailed and thoughtful in its responses. So you're not getting a AI like response. You're gonna get a human like response from Claude. But when it comes to pricing, let's go ahead and check out the pricings for Claude here. I would like to see if the same is applied for ChatGPT. Okay, let's click on this here and head into upgrade plan. All right, so this is the plan I'm currently on, but you can get other plans that are available. Now, on the upgrade side of Claude, all you need to do is just click on it and you can see the things you'd be getting. On the free plan, you're getting the option to chat on the web, iOS, Android, and on your desktop, generate code and visualize data, write, edit, and create content, analyze text and images, ability to search the web, create files and execute code, unlock more from Claude with desktop extensions, connect your Slack, Google Workspace services, and integrate any content or tool. That's what you're getting with Claude. Now, you do also get the same on the Pro plan. That's more usage, Claude Code, co-work, unlimited projects, access to research, memory across your conversation. So Claude actually remembers the things you guys talked about, more Claude models, and Claude in Excel. But on the plan I'm currently on, that's which is like a pro plan for the ChatGPT, I get advanced models, even more messages and uploads, even more faster image creation, expanded memory across chats, codex coding agents. So I'm actually going to get a coding agent inside of this plan. Uh, ex- the expanded deeper research and projects and custom GPTs, Sora video generation. So this is amazing here. You're not getting any of that on here. You can only get similarities, but they're not the same. And on the business plan, it just takes it up a notch with the codex only seats, privacy built in, advanced SSOs, MFAs, and the likes. So, which one should you actually choose? You can use Claude if you want better writing, deeper reasoning, long document analysis, advanced coding, and you can use ChatGPT if you want more features, faster responses, a better ecosystem, and everyday utility and versatility. They are not replacement, they are tools for just different jobs. So you just need to pick and choose what tool does what job. All right, guys. So best overall versatility would go to ChatGPT, but depth and quality is for Claude. All right, guys. So that's the Claude versus ChatGPT. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.